Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today we're gonna how to mine zero coin. What the heck is that? Alright, so I find out it's kind of a little profitable one, so I just want to make a video about that. I know a lot of people just want to mine and check it out all the time, what we got, what we can mine, how we can make that extra money we're just looking for. You know guys, everything is about that. So I went to mine, and lyrically I throw out all my mining graphic cards and then better now though. Then I got two 1050, 1060 and 3060 on the test PC, what I normally use on a 9 So you can see over here, this is like it's like a mining Raven coin, but in a different coins, so stuff like that, and it's very profitable at the moment. To be clear, not financing advisor, this is at the moment, so tomorrow these things can be like all the way on the bottom or what mine. But I decided I wanted to make a video, so we're going forward. And so there is everything we need. This is the website. This is what we're talking about, and privacy security rights and stuff like that. We got video, white paper 2.0. We got the wiki. We got all the information we need. This is like a copy of Zcash or something like that, so supposed to be more faster. That's what they say on the website. That's gonna be the little introduction I'm gonna give you guys. So that's only a CNA, and the government mining nodes. You want to make a node, you can make a node. That's all the node they got right now running, and these are the only information. Also we got it's only 2 people represent the project right now so far. We can contact them. We can go all the way this way from Reddit all the way to Telegram. Now to be clear and honest, on the GitHub I don't see any update as soon last year. As soon last year I don't see any update. Also they make some because they probably gonna need it if they wanna continue this business. Alright, so without ado, let's go to the mine side. Alright, so first of all, this is gonna be the pool, going to SERO pool, and give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back. This is the SERO pool over here. So this is what we're gonna use in it. Address. If we want one of the wallets, I'm just choosing a regular wallet from them, the light one. So if you want to use the wallet, so you may gonna have to go to SERO wallet over here. You click on it, and it's gonna take you to this. Download this one. It's kind of tricky to set everything up. I already did it. Because we're just gonna show you how to mine. You know how to set up any wallet. So then we go to the SERO port. It's gonna tell you what miner you can download, what you can use in it. It's only 3 of them have access to them, and one is MB miner, T-Red, and T-Red miners. The other T-Red miner. So now we got everything done. So I'll go over here. This is how everything should be look. I'm gonna use MB miner. This is the address. You can see that's a worker, and what we're gonna do is just gonna save that file I created. Save A, and oh sorry. Okay, so and then we just gonna do 0 that BAT. It's a bad file, and I'm gonna save it. Also, I'm gonna double check if it's saving on the right place. So we're gonna see if it's over here. Look like I didn't save it on the right one. So what I'm gonna do is gonna copy this, and we're gonna save it again. We're gonna paste this over there. Let's go back. Let's go put Control B. We're gonna enter over there. That's what we're supposed to be, and we're gonna put this BAT we're gonna save it again, and we got over there already. All right, so let's see. Okay. All right, let me refresh this. All right, look like it didn't get saved to the right one. All right, let's go do this again. All right, so miner program, miner, MB miner, MB miner, MB miner. All right, so we are on the right one. So all right, so we're gonna put dash EAT, and we're gonna try one more time to save it. Also, I'm on the right one. Say yes, and now we got it. All right, so we got it right here, and the next thing to this is just start mining. Clicking it. Let's see if this is gonna work. It just started. It's reading everything that file, and here we are. So we are mining. What I'm gonna do with this is gonna give it a second. I'm gonna pause the video, and I'll be back, show you guys how much we doing it, how much money we making it, and stuff like that. And I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright guys, so I'm back, and this is how the wallet look. So this is the wallet I got. So I'm just gonna show you, because I'm doing this for test purpose only. So you are gonna see all these on the video. Sorry, my video is very long sometimes. So we're gonna copy this, and gonna come back over here, and we're gonna see how profitable we are. So say we are right now making about 4.6 megahertz. We already know that. We just not nice second inside. This will be coming up and going up. I'm gonna do like a little thing, and you guys can see here we're running at 33 total megahertz on this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pause back the video, and we'll be back in an hour. Not probably an hour, probably in 20-25 minutes. Alright guys, so we're back after like 10-15 minutes. You guys can see them right here. We 21 megahertz, so we are 0.5% right now, and so far I got 27 short, probably more than that right now. And yeah, that's it. That's how you mine it. SERO. So I'll be seeing you into the next video. Also, you have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend, and I'll see you into the next one.